provides guidance on resolving a common issue faced by Examplify users on Windows 10 and 11. The invalid system configuration error. This occurs when core isolation memory integrity is enabled, preventing Examplify from functioning properly. Let's walk through the steps to resolve this. Step 1. Disable core isolation. 1. Access Windows Security. Open Windows Security. Navigate to Device Security. 2. Disable memory integrity. Click on Core Isolation Details. If memory integrity is enabled, toggle it off. 3. Restart your computer. After disabling, restart your machine. Step 2. If Windows Security is unresponsive, 1. Open PowerShell. Search for PowerShell in the Start menu. Right-click and select Run as administrator. 2. Reset app. Enter the following command. PowerShell Get App X Package, Microsoft. Self UI, all users. Reset App X Package. On press, enter. 3. Recheck Windows Security. After running the command, try accessing Windows Security again. Step 3. If memory integrity option is grayed out 1, create a restore point. Before making further changes, create a restore point to safeguard your system. 2. Type Regedit and press Enter. 2. Navigate to the key. Go to HKEYLOCALEMACHINESYSTEMCONTROLDEVICEGUARDSCENARIOS 3. Check for keys. Look for Credential Guard and Hypervisor Enforced Code Integrity. If they are missing, create them. Right-click on Scenarios. New. Key. And name it Credential Guard or Hypervisor Enforced Code Integrity. Create DORD values. Within each key, create a new DORD, 32-bit value named Enabled. Set the value of Enabled to 0.5. 5. Restart your computer. After making these changes, restart your machine. Final step. Confirm changes 1. Return to Windows Security. Access Device Security and navigate to Core Isolation Details. Ensure memory integrity is turned off. 2. Install or update. Examplify. Try reinstalling or updating Examplify once again. Conclusion. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation issues with Examplify. Always remember to back up your data and reach out for support if needed. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your exams.